Hello teacher, hello classmate. My name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student bachelor in modern language with emphasis in English, and today I want to explain to you how to determine the quality methodology in the research the effect of audiobook use on EFL student fluency development. For this activity I have choose these articles. This article was developed for Achila Nisa and Mahauri Polanga. They uncover an empirical study of audiobooks. Here they choose a group of students, 30 students exactly. After that, they divide in the group into groups. Each one has 15 students. The idea was that one of the group using the audiobook to develop the class, and the second group developed their class but without the audiobooks. When they finished that, okay, the time for this experimental class was a semester or 14 class. When they finished the activity, they did a orally text. This test was in pair. When they have the information about the result, they could see that the first group, who was the group that used the audiobook, the result was better comparing with the second group. Now, in this point, we can determine the quality methodology in this study. For that, I took in mind the following aspect. I think the first thing that we must take in mind is the social context when the student live. And the second information that could be great for, or maybe was great for the teacher, was information if the student like the English, or if they think the English is important in your life. Maybe they can have that information through the interview, or maybe making a survey. As second step, we can investigate the English level from the student. I think we can use the observation class, because it's a good way if we want to identify which are the students with high level. Maybe we can investigate, or maybe they can investigate what method they using to improve your English skill, especially the listening. Maybe they can use the listening song, maybe using the recording. Okay, all that information is very important to take information. I think that can use, or they can use this information, add to the result to the text, and try to determine why the first group of choice or time the better result comparing with the second group. I think it's the way that they couldn't use to determine that. Okay, teacher, mate, that's all for now. I wait for your comment. Goodbye.